Namaskar. Greetings for a lovely day. My name is Dr. Jasjeet Wasir. I'm Associate Director at Medanta, the Medicity, Gurugram. By the time of making this video, the world has firmly endorsed and is strictly following social distancing, isolation, quarantine, overall hygiene including hand hygiene, proper nutrition, and universal use of face masks to fight the current viral pandemic. For patients with diabetes, the media content is currently focused on transmission limiting strategies and aspects of physical health. In these trying times, even though the primary goals are prevention of transmission and maintaining a good physical health, we cannot and should not undervalue aspects of mental health, especially if you are a diabetic. In diabetics, especially those with uncontrolled blood glucose levels, hypertension, the elderly, those with coexisting complications including the heart, liver, kidney, the lungs, there is a potentially increased risk of the viral illness on physical health, greater risk of complications including loss of life. Similar to its impact on physical health, mental health issues are likely to be magnified in diabetics, especially those with pre-existing subtle or major manifest mental health issues. Some of the important mental health issues that one may face during the pandemic include heightened stress, anxiety, depression, and major mood swings, all of which could lead to increased blood sugar fluctuations and hence increased risk of complications. A few things you may observe in your daily routine which indicate heightened stress. These may include abnormal sleep pattern related to the excess stress levels, disorderly lifestyle because of isolation, change in your routine or your schedule, binge eating or excess consumption of calorie-dense food as a stress buster, excessive alcohol or smoking indulgence just to pick up the low mood because all the negative and depressive informations, an urge to stop your diabetes medications, be irregular with them, or to completely stop checking your blood sugar levels at home, a feeling that the world is going to come to an end or a doomsday feeling. Ask yourself which thoughts are generating the most anxiety or stress in your mind and try to find solutions to them. For example, you may feel vulnerable just thinking about the fact that you may have difficulty in procuring your medications or consulting the doctor. So please go ahead, buy medications for a month. Do not overstock medications. Try to talk to your doctor and find a way in which you can stay in touch with him or her without having to physically go to the hospital. For example, tele or video consult. You may get a feel of doomsday because everyone, including the media, seems to point to you as high risk. Remind yourself, if your sugars are well controlled, your health risk is lower than that of a non-diabetic. Also, in non-diabetic people, the key in this viral pandemic is prevention of transmission. So keep this in mind and pep yourself and stay home. If you feel alone, isolated or trapped, remind yourself that the whole world is in it together. So try to spend quality time with your family. You may feel extremely lazy, fatigued, or feel like complete loss of energy. So just get up from your couch and start exercising. Exercise has a mood elevating effect by increasing the blood levels of feel-good hormones, the endorphins. Just to help maintain your exercise schedule, whenever you achieve a preset target, reward yourself with certain goodies. Another response to doomsday feeling of skipping or totally stopping your diabetes medications or your home testing of blood sugar levels is an absolute no. More than the disease itself, it's the excess media exposure because of forced confinement and social isolation which is a major culprit for increased mental health issues. This being a new virus, the scientific knowledge is still unclear, uncertain or unknown. So it's the fear of the unknown which generates excess mental stress. To guard and protect your mental health, please limit your media exposure, including WhatsApp University, to a need-to-know basis. Even if you decide to completely black out your media exposure, you're still right. The important pandemic-related news, updates, and policy decisions will reach you. Also, the time saved from excess media exposure can be utilized to positive and constructive health behaviors. If you're currently on psychiatric medications, please do not change the doses or stop the medications yourself without the doctor's advice. If after doing all of these things we discussed, you still feel you have major mental health issues or major mood variations, please do go ahead and contact your mental health specialist. Some important positive booster thoughts. The earth is healing itself very fast. We have greenery all around, fresh air to breathe, and clear blue skies. Your eternal desire of spending luxurious time with your family is finally fulfilled. You're doing and maintaining a prudent, healthy lifestyle. With all of your efforts and your doctor's advice, your blood sugar levels are maintained so very well. When should you contact your doctor? Immediately, without any hesitation. Any kind of fever, your blood sugar levels less than 80 or more than 180, any urine levels of ketones above trace levels, persistent cough or sore throat, breathing difficulties, severe pain in the abdomen, recurrent vomitings, diarrhea, not being able to retain any solids or liquids, extremely dry mouth or decreased urine output. These are some of the important indicators for which you should immediately contact your doctor. Stay safe, keep busy, be healthy, and this time also will pass. Thank you very much.